Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a forum backlink. So the website name is railforums.co.uk. So this is a website where we can create a very high qualitative forum backlink, and this site is highly related for the transportation and the travel industry. So if you are in the same, so this is a relevant backlink for you, relevant site for you for the backlinking. So this is a website URL and this is the dashboard. So before the started, we can research something about this site. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 41, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 45 and the spam score is only 4%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 2.2 million traffic. So this site having a high traffic source, and mostly traffic from UK, USA, South Africa, Poland, India and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so we have completed our research process. So now we can start. First thing, you can click on the register button and then you can create your account on this site. So there you can add your username, and there you can add your email address, then you can choose your password, then you can add your location, there you can refill your location, and after that you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and after that you can click on the register button. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So you can see we have successfully created our account. So you can see this site will send you a confirmation email. So you can check your Gmail box. So 7:30 I haven't received. Yeah, so you can see I received. So you can click on the confirm your email button, and you can see our account is successfully confirmed, and you can click on your profile button, and there you can click on this, and if you wanting, so you can update your some details. So from there you can change your profile picture, and after that you can click on the OK button. So our profile picture is updated, and if you wanting, so you can update your banner image as well, and after that you can click on the home button, and if you wanting to start discussing any kind of your relevant threads, so simply you can search the threads from there. You can put your keyword, so like I can add backlink. I guess there is no any backlinks threads are available, because this is travel and the transportation and the rail kind of categorized forum submission sites. So if you are in the same, so you can search your thread from there and you can start contributing. Either if you wanting to share your fresh threads, so simply you can click on the home button, and you can click on the any kind of thread, and you can see there is a post a thread button. You can click on this, and from there you can see there you can add your title. So suppose that my title is what is web 2.0 submission site. So I'm just doing these things for the video creation, but the your case you can create a quality and the relevant kind of threads on this site. So then your thread should be not going to delete automatically. Okay, and there you can add your thread description. So suppose that let me use this, and if I can put it over there, and if you wanting to insert hyperlink any your targeted keyword, so simply you can select your keyword and copy your website URL, and you can see there is a insert link button. You can click on this, and from there you can insert your hyperlink. So you can see I have inserted, and after that you can click on the post thread button. So you can see this is your thread landing page URL, forum landing page URL, and this is the backlink. If I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is a no follow UGC no opener. So this is a no follow forum submission backlink. But the thing is this, if you are in the same industry, kind of railway or the transportation or the travel, so this site is a relevant backlink for you, and you can get advantage to your brand marketing, and you can increase your website traffic as well from this site. So okay, so this is our process. This is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can gonna to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.